Welcome to Bold Story Press and Xander Press's Setting Up a Facebook Account video. To set up a Facebook account, begin by downloading the app. Click Create New Account. Enter your first and last name. Then enter your birthday. Now select your gender. Then enter your phone number or email. Now create a password. Read Facebook's terms and policies and click I agree. Facebook will send a confirmation code to the phone number or email you entered. Find it, type it in, then click Next. If you want, you can give Facebook access to your contacts. This will help Facebook suggest friends. Click Next, then click Continue if you want Facebook to be able to access your contacts, or select Don't Allow if you don't want Facebook to access your contacts. I will click Don't Allow. If you want, you can add friends at this step. And there you go. Your Facebook account is now set up. Watch our Navigating Facebook video to learn more about Facebook's features.